school acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good morning everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, as you know, tomorrow is a curriculum day, it's a student-free day, so we are presenting the online assembly today being Thursday. Well, as I mentioned, tomorrow is a curriculum day. Students won't be required at school because it's a day where the teachers actually spend the whole day learning, and tomorrow we will be learning all about maths and how we can develop our capacity as teachers so that we can provide you the very, very best in learning. It's going to be a fun day, and I know the teachers are really, really excited about participating in the day. My next message is, well, what an exciting day today. A lot of buzz around the school. As you know, we've got the Father's Day stall occurring in the gym for all our students. And yeah, it's just wonderful we can offer the sale of gifts for fathers and those special people in our lives this coming weekend. And finally, I just wanted to say also that, as you know, we celebrated Book Week last week. Lots of fun activities occurred throughout the school. I know I really enjoyed dressing up on Friday along with the assistant principals, and it was just so wonderful to see not only the staff right across the school and students right across the school also dressing up to celebrate Book Week. My highlight of the week was joining with the assistant principals in reading out the story, The Wonky Donkey. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, that's all from me this week. Have a wonderful, long weekend. Stay safe. Please remember to be safe when crossing roads. And remember to read every single day. Take care, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
B O D M A S.
Look, guys. Whoa. I nearly dropped the laptop. Ada, you're holding the laptop wrong and you're doing everything wrong. What, I am? Then how do I carry it properly? First you need to hold it with two hands and don't forget never open it while you're walking. Will do. Wait, Ada. Never run with devices. Okay, got it. Will do. Okay. I'll just turn it off. Hi everyone, we hope you follow these instructions now on. As well as the SWPSs, we carry our devices with two hands.
Hello, who's ready for a riddle? Here we go. You will buy me to eat, but you never eat me. What am I? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out the answer. All right, thinking time is over. You buy me to eat, but you never eat me. What am I? The answer is a plate. Excellent thinking, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all next week.
Hello everyone, Miss Hollandquist here with our District Ath Day report. On Tuesday the 30th of August, we had 44 students attend our District Athletics Day held at Casey Field's Ath Track. In trying conditions, our students showed wonderful determination and sportsmanship throughout the day. We have several students who now advance to the division level. Students who came first and second in their event will have the opportunity to represent Cranbourne East at the division level on Wednesday the 14th of September. We wish them all the best and can't wait to hear how they went.